Welcome to the third Friday in August, 2011. Storm Tracker 7 Live Doppler radar showing a few heavy storms out there right now. Lots of lightning right now. And, geez, where are we? Southern parts of Jefferson County, right along the Brooke-Ohio County line. Looks like the Wheeler and Ohio County airport's going to get thumped in the next 20 minutes. Showers continue to drift from the northwest down to the southeast. 98 degrees set back on this day 112 years ago, and the record low 39. Can you imagine that? Set back in 1953. Now, the National Weather Service does have a severe thunderstorm warning. It's in effect until about 4:15. It covers a little smidge of Hancock at this point, moves in a little bit of Beaver and parts of Allegheny, and that's about it in terms of warnings. So even though there are showers and thunderstorms and some lightning bolts from Brilliant all the way down to Warwood and over to Sunset Heights, it's really not adding up to too much. Well, we're going to move on and take the look at the temperatures. Now, it's no rain right now down in the New Martinsville area. They're at 85. We were warmer at the airport, but now we're getting cool air and getting some evaporational cooling. So 78 is the cool spot that's up at the Wheeler and Ohio County Airport. Temperatures might actually end up being 5 or 6 degrees cooler than that over the next couple of minutes as that thunderstorm hits those areas. Wind speeds for most of us outside of the thunderstorm areas are coming in from the west and southwest at about 1 to 6 miles an hour. We may be getting some gusts. Did receive reports of some trees down. I think it was in part of Allegheny County earlier this afternoon around the lunch hour. And we've had some reports of some hailstones up in Tuscarawas a little bit earlier this afternoon. Humidity is high. Dew points are rising, and they're right now in the mid to upper 60s. This is about as muggy as it's been all week. Now, you can see how the storms that we're dealing with right now just popped up over the last, since about 1 p.m., and now here we are around 3:42 p.m., still looking with some storms. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch out for eastern parts of Pennsylvania, southeast New York, a little bit of New Jersey. So we'll move on from here. You can see generally clearing out to the west. Oh boy, Dallas, Texas, 105 degrees. Can you imagine that? This has been going on down there for about 10 weeks now. Almost every day it's up near 100, 105, and right now it's only like 2:45 their time. And you can see that most of the nation is really not that hot. It's just kind of centered over Texas, Oklahoma, a little bit of Kansas. And the humidity is super high just to the east of those areas, from the Big Easy up to Memphis, over to Kansas City, and over to Louisville. And our humidity has risen too. We're expecting it to drop just a tad tomorrow, and then go up a little bit on Sunday, and then drop precipitously on Monday and Tuesday. We're looking forward to that. Heat advisories, parts of Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, over near Arkansas, Louisiana, a little bit of Mississippi down near the Houston area. And then you can see a lot of these little orange boxes indicating severe thunderstorms, parts of Pennsylvania, New York, and New England. And then a few up in the upper peninsula of Michigan along the Michigan-Wisconsin border. Well, that state line, I should say. You can see that we're almost on the tail end of this. We do have an upper-level disturbance here, kicking off a few showers in the northern Great Lakes. But you notice basically rain-free from Texas, Oklahoma, up to Missouri, Iowa, and Wisconsin, Illinois, and up into southern Michigan and most of southern Wisconsin. So here's our predictor. We'll put it into motion. Now, we're showing a cold front, a weak cold front, kind of trying to move through the area today. And now we're drawing it as a stationary front. We're just going to kind of wash it out. There it goes. It just disappears. 4 p.m. tomorrow, we've got the Arts Fest down in Wheeling, and it looks like just excellent weather for that. Temperatures could be on the hot side. I'm going to go for a high of 87 on Saturday, which means within a 3-degree guarantee. It could go as high as 90 and still be correct with an 87 for your forecast. So we'll see. It could be a hot one. And then we've got another disturbance coming through, and yes, by late Sunday, it looks like showers and thunderstorms. And then there's our savior, our cooler weather coming in there. Monday, delightful weather. Tuesday, you can just kiss it. It's so nice. Then you get into Wednesday, well, the humidity starts coming back in, and we could have a few scattered late afternoon, early evening showers and thunderstorms developing by late Wednesday. So we go to the 7-day forecast. You can see the numbers. We got the highest temperature for the next 7 will probably come tomorrow afternoon. We'll show Mr. Sunshine there quite a bit. On Saturday night into Sunday, there could be a few scattered showers. More likely, we're going to be wrestling with a few showers and thunderstorms as we move through our Sunday. Still showing a little peak of sunshine, though. It could be drop-dead gorgeous for a couple hours on Sunday as well. And then the best weather of the week comes Monday and Tuesday. Highs upper 70s near 80 degrees. And look at that low Tuesday morning. We keep dropping it. Now we've got it down to 55. Could it be possible that somebody's going to wake up in the upper 40s Tuesday morning? Time will tell, and then we warm things up a little bit as we get into the latter part of next week.